So in the part 1 we have already come to this part, log of r square into r. Log r square can be written as 2 log of r, so it is 2 times 0 to pi by 4, 0 to a log of r into r dr. Do this integration and then whatever is the answer, integrate with respect to theta. So I'll use by parts formula, LIAT, ILATE. So logarithm comes before trigonometry or algebraic expression, sorry. That's why log will be considered as u and r will be considered as v. So using by parts formula, this will become 2 times 0 to pi by 4. Log r remains as it is. Integration of r is r square by 2 minus integration 0 to a. These limits are also 0 to a and 0 to a. Log r derivative is 1 by r, integration of r is r square by 2 dr, and then the answer whatever you get with respect to theta. So if I substitute the limits, this will become 2 times integration 0 to pi by 4. Please make a note over here, when I put the upper limit I'll get a square by 2 log of a square. Upper limit is fine, but when I put the lower limit, log 0 is undefined, but r is also 0, so it is 0 into 0. Rather this lower limit value which is there, we'll have to find by limit, because limit as r tends to 0, log of r into r square, this becomes infinity into 0 form. So I have to convert it to indeterminate form, 0 by 0, and then find the limit. That limit turns out to be 0. So lower limit will be 0 for the first term. Then minus 1 r gets cancelled. It is 1 by 2 into integration of r again, which is r square by 2 from 0 to a. So when I do the simplification, I will get the value of that integration, which is 2 times is outside, integration 0 to pi by 4 is as it is. It will be a square by 2 log of a square minus, I'll put the upper limit because again lower limit will become 0. So it is r square by, a square by 4 into d theta. Now this value which I have got after integrating with respect to x is not depending on r. Therefore directly the integration value of this term will be 2 times, I'll cancel out this 2 throughout, so it is 2, 2, and this will become 2. So a square into log of a square is constant, minus a square by 2 is also constant, so it comes outside the integration, and what remains inside is 0 to pi by 4 d theta. But what's the integration of d theta? It is theta. So a square log of a square minus a square by 2 into theta from 0 to pi by 4 gives you the answer as to be pi by 4 into a square log of a square minus a square by 2. This is your answer of the integration when you convert it to polar form. Thank you.